Hey guys, little update to go a bit further on the rebuild of the fake twins. So by the way, as you can see, both tanks are set up, and this time in fact the junction, the connection has been properly done with exactly the right position for each tank in order for this one to start to get some water. The first test, in fact, this is a water leak test proof, where you are supposed to fulfill your tank and to let a few days to see if any leak is coming. By the way, for you to understand why I'm doing some such kind of test, both tank has been home built. This is some did it yourself aquarium, I would say, with a few specificities. That's the point of today's video. Today I just would like to show you water, 200 liter osmosis water, heating, air pump, and you can wonder what do you test with some warm water and so on. In fact, this time I won't throw away the water of the test. I will, over the next day, fulfill of osmosis water, and after, when everything will be fine, if everything is properly fine, it will be some water ready to be used for the fish. So I will put back some mineral, get back some conductivity and proper stability in the pH. For these guys, oh, the camera is not really good. I put, for you to see the fish, I put a little bit of light, so everybody is going fine. They are waiting to get more food. As you can see, these little guys are also going fine, even if there are some weird stuff in the middle of the little swimming pool. The filter is running here. This is a auto top off system, because it's also an overflow. In fact, this is typically the system which will come here. So I haven't cleaned all the stuff because I quite finished it, but I'm not sure. I will still test some combination regarding the piping, the tubings that you can see here. The filter of the Tropheus is back because I use it to do some adjustment, as you can see, and this is a huge improvement. Maybe it's nothing for you, or let's say it looks normal for you, but to me it's great. Everything has been glued, except of course here, such kind of stuff, you can put it away like that if you want to get back the filter, for example, or if you want to change anything. But here this is one piece right now because it has been glued, it has been polymer merged, I would say, and here it has been strongly fixed. The tank union is fixed, the valves are fixed, and I won't open it because I don't want to do something stupid on camera, but this is fixed. And here, this is the job also of the day. Maybe I can try to relax it a little bit for you guys to see. In fact, this is simply the return of the pump is going here. This is a T for the water change, and here this is for all the other modules of the filtration, the biological moving bed, UV sterilization. It could be some other component module, for example denitrification, filter, whatever you want, or ozone. The ozone will come back here. I don't know if you can already see, since the tank are larger, 25 centimeters larger, it does mean that we do have some space before the filter, after the filter. I think I will keep the filter like before in this direction. I've done some tests here, but it's a bit weird. Of course the tubing here can move, but this is a module with a paper filter, and the moving bed can't move. I can't switch it this way. I don't think it's optimal at all, so I will let it this way, and whatever, it's not a big deal. I will use this space and the space behind without any trouble. My first application with more space will be to switch the paper for a 40 meter paper to a 100 meter paper. It's a bigger. More space, more paper. With the Tropheus it will be 1 year without cleaning, without doing anything with the filter. 1 year. Can you imagine? Yeah, this is some nice filtration. So by the way, out of this, I think last video I show you already all the electrical optimization. Yeah, quickly done, but this is nicer, and especially I have all the plugs this time, not using one plug to power the other power strip. So that's all. Here I have done a test with the transparent tubing, but I guess I did it already, and it did bother me that it's transparent few days, and after that when it's turning not so clean, of course you can see it directly, so not sure. It is possible to find some black tubings, and you have even more clear tubings if you are taking some acryglass or acryl tubing. This is PVC, and acryl is really transparent, but the issue will be the same, meaning that you will see inside what's not so clean. Maybe I can go this way. So nice to see back the tank, not up and rolling, but let's say right in this direction without any big issue. I will have to order a few little PVC pieces, and after that everything will be ready to be transferred from this tank to the new one. So that's all for the days, guys. Hope everything is going fine at your place as well. Ciao!